My name is Andreas Soupliotis. I'm the founder and chief executive officer of AYUDA Media Systems. AYUDA is an ad tech company focusing exclusively on delivering software solutions for digital out-of-home. I founded the company in 2013, so almost 13 years ago. Back then, we focused on building the world's best ERP solution to automate everything that a media owner would have to do in their workday, from proposal generation to contract management, to invoicing, to financial reporting. In 2008, we pivoted. We added a digital signage element to our platform. So we added a content management system, plus a player as well, and all that works holistically with the rest of the ERP. And about 18 months ago, we pivoted slightly again. We essentially programmatically enabled our software stack to allow media owners to create private marketplaces so that their inventory can be purchased programmatically from within digital demand-side platforms. And in addition to that, we also focus on the execution piece, which marries in mobile data so that we can do cross-screen retargeting. And so for us, programmatic means two things. The first thing has to do with programmatic execution of the campaign. So the second piece for us has to do with the programmatic transaction. I'll focus on the first piece for a second. The execution of a campaign, for us, if it's executed programmatically, means that the creative is decision on where to be served depending on where people are, as opposed to having a fixed playlist. And so what we've done is we've partnered with a lot of cellular companies that essentially give us anonymous access to huge data sets, massive geotemporal data sets that come in sort of 15 billion rows a day across 100 million phones in the Americas, for example. And then our data science team ingests that and tries to make sense of where niche audiences are and niche targets. And so advertisers approach our clients, the media owners, and say they want to target a very specific niche audience. We work with our data suppliers. We understand what the behavioral patterns are of that niche target. And then we work with different digital signage systems, sometimes our own, sometimes not, and we hook into their loop infrastructure. And then what our algorithms do, our ad server then decides which screen to activate when and where, depending on device concentrations. So it's programmatically executed. That's one of the key things. And essentially what happens there is we're establishing location as a cookie. And that is the type of model you need to speak and the acumen you want when you're trying to solicit digital buyers to come and buy from our industry. The second piece that we work on is also the programmatic buying and selling piece, the programmatic transaction. You know, we've changed our opinion over the last 18 months. We're deep in the trenches doing a lot of these campaigns. We've done about 12 of these types of campaigns so far. And what we've learned is, you know, rather than have our own industry self-serve digital out-of-home programmatic buying platform, we'll go much farther as an industry if we can connect into the existing demand-side platforms that exist, that are being used by the trading desks to transact billions of digital dollars today. And when I mean digital, I mean pre-roll video, I mean mobile, I mean display. And so what we're working on is now essentially making our supply-side platform have connections into those different DSPs. And what that means is that if you are a media owner using our supply-side platform, you can make your inventory available for purchase from some of these digital buying platforms. And we do things such as what are called private marketplaces. We use what are called deal IDs, and we adhere to a lot of the standards that the Internet Advertising Bureau, the IAB, has put forward to establish a protocol between buying and selling systems. Protocols such as OpenRTB and protocols such as VAST, Video Ad Serving Template. So we spend a lot of energy on that. So in summary, we are an ERP software company for digital out-of-home. We are also a digital signage platform. But more importantly, where we see the future really becoming bright is programmatic dollars coming our way, because we can connect digital out-of-home supply into digital demand. Thank you very much.